this video, I want to show you how to create learning survey form. First, you need to click extensions, survey form, and then load form template. And now you can search learning survey form, and then just click load selected template. And you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. And just refresh the page like this, and click survey form and then get link, and just click continue here, and then choose your account. And just click advanced, and then go to survey form, and just click allow here, and just wait for it. You will get the link like this, and just copy it all and paste on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use, but you can also custom the questions or anything in the form. Like for example, here I want to insert a new row. I use text here and copy the question text and change the questions. For example, I change it into name. Just wait for it. I will change it into name like this. So go to your form, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change it into date, and don't forget to change the questions to date like this. So it will show like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use that row anymore. It will disappear instantly. And now go to settings to change the background color of your form. Pick any color that you want, and it will change now. Or maybe you can add the new style for the title. Here I give an example, like mark behavior like this, and just follow the code, like scroll down. For example, here I use 25, but you can pick your number. And don't forget to close the code, like /mark here, and go to your form. And now the title is moving. Thank you.